Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to make this everyday carry tech video before I even started YouTube. I guess now is the best time since I will be changing most of the items soon. So this is it. This is what I have been carrying around past 2 years in my everyday carry tech bag. Let's start with the bag itself. I got this online from a page called My Army Life Kuwait. This model is called the Ghost Sling Bag. It is 7 liters capacity. I don't think they deliver internationally. Just look up tactical sling bag, and you will find these wherever you are. These bags have a lot of mounting points, and they are customizable to your needs. I have attached these 4 carabiners on the sides, which are extremely useful to hook stuff like water bottles, shopping bags, or other smaller bags. Since I carry the bag in front, this gives me easy access to everything. The bag came with a thin shoulder strap. I swapped it out for a thicker one, but I honestly never used it. I also knitted the Paracord handle myself, which completely changed the look of this bag. If you are interested in doing the same, I have a short video tutorial. I will link it below. Anyway, moving on to the content of the bag. The main reason I carry a sling bag of this size is because of my tablet. The same old Samsung Tab S6. My most used piece of tech. This fits here perfectly, and the padding keeps it secure. In this top pocket, I usually keep my keys and earbuds. I have been using the Huawei FreeBuds 5i for years now, and never felt the need to change them. Next item is my wallet, which I'm going to switch out for a smaller tri-fold wallet soon. I need to carry a full-size cash wallet because of where I live. They still use cash for all payments here. Along with my earbuds, I keep a compact 10,000 mAh power bank in this pocket above, which is also mag-safe for charging my phones. If I am going out for more than a day, I keep my 40-watt Anker power brick in the bag to charge my phones. Speaking of phones, past 2 years I have been using 2 phones. The Nothing Phone 1 is my daily driver. It is the smoothest Android OS ever. And for filming videos and editing YouTube shorts, I have been using the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Both the phone are on their deathbeds. Nothing OS 3, which is Android 15, will be the last major software update for this phone. I will be changing both the phones soon. Finally, I have these random small things I keep in the inner pockets. Since I film with different cameras, this memory card reader always stays with me to transfer media. In this front pocket, I keep a small perfume bottle. This comes in handy all the time. The place where I keep my wallet has a small pocket. I keep a lens cleaning cloth in there to keep my cameras clean. Since I started this channel last year, I kept this notebook with me to write down random video ideas. The best part is that it is very compact and fits in this sleeve like a glove. Let's talk about the main compartment inside. I usually keep swapping the items that goes here, depending on where I'm going and what I need to use for the day. If I know I'm going someplace where I need to film aerial footage, I will be carrying my drone. The DJI Mini fits perfectly here, along with the controller and battery pack combo, which also can be used as a power bank when fully charged. If I need some cinematic footage, I will take this small beast, the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera Original with 1 lens. If I am filming something moving and I need stable phone footage, I will carry my DJI Osmo Mobile 4. This is also a great tool for filming yourself. I also keep this Gerber multi-tool in the bag, except for when I'm going through airport. Speaking of airport, when I am traveling, I keep my Nintendo Switch and a travel adapter in the main compartment. That's it. These are the items in my everyday carry tech bag. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.